Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning student. How are you? Great. Because today we are all in a good condition. Okay student, are you ready for today? Good. Now let's jump to our topic today. Before that, please to fill your attendance in our WhatsApp group. So our topic for today is about recount text. Before I explain it for you, I like to know first, who knows what is recount text? If you knows, please raise your hand. Yes, very good. That's correct, Andy. Okay, so what is recount text? Recount text is a text that retell a story, an experience, or an event that will happen in the past. Jadi, pengertian dari recount text sendiri itu adalah sebuah teks yang menceritakan kembali sebuah cerita atau pengalaman atau sesuatu yang pernah terjadi di masa lampau. And then recount text is divided into three. First is biography. Biography itu menceritakan tentang tokoh. Second, historical recount, yaitu sebuah teks yang menceritakan tentang peristiwa sejarah yang pernah terjadi. And the last is experience. Experience itu menceritakan tentang sebuah pengalaman pribadi dari seseorang. Okay student, let's continue our topic for today. Now I want to ask you, who knows what the function of recount text? Please raise your hand if you know. Yes, great. The function of recount text is to tell or to inform about the past event historically and achievements of person's life. Jadi tujuan dari recount text adalah untuk memberitahu atau menginformasikan tentang peristiwa historical atau peristiwa sejarah dan pengalaman seseorang yang pernah terjadi di masa lampau. Tuh. Okay students, regarding to our topic for today about recount text, that where the assessment is reading skills, I will send a text to our WhatsApp group. I will give you 30 minutes to read again the text, and then I will invite you via Zoom, and I will call you one by one to read aloud the text that I give. So I think that's the end of our lesson for today. Please don't forget to keep reading and practice your reading skill, and always take care of your health. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello friend, long time no see. Welcome back to Gia Academy YouTube channel. How is your day? Your day is fun, isn't it? Have you ever visited to museum? There are sculpture and heroes picture, and then you can read the story and get information about the past event. Do you know to tell past event we can use recount text? So, in this video, we will learn recount text. What is recount text? Recount text is a text that retells a story, an experience, or an event that happened in the past. Jadi, teks recount adalah teks yang menceritakan kembali cerita, pengalaman, atau kejadian yang telah terjadi di masa lampau. Recount text is divided into three. First, biography, menceritakan tentang riwayat hidup seorang tokoh. Second, historical recount, menceritakan peristiwa bersejarah yang terjadi pada masa lalu. And the last one, experience, menceritakan pengalaman pribadi penulis. The function of recount text are to tell experiences in which the writer was personally involved, untuk menceritakan pengalaman yang dialami langsung oleh penulis. To inform the readers by telling past events historically and achievements in a person's life, untuk memberikan informasi kepada pembaca tentang peristiwa penting yang pernah terjadi di masa lalu dan menceritakan pencapaian yang diraih seseorang dalam hidupnya. And to chronicle past events regarded as historically significant, untuk mengurutkan waktu kejadian di masa lampau. And then, example of recount text, biografi Jenderal Sudirman. There are three generic structure of recount text. First, orientation tells who is involved in the story, when, where, and why the story happened. Pada bagian orientation menjelaskan tentang siapa yang terlibat dalam cerita, kapan, di mana, dan mengapa peristiwa tersebut terjadi. Second, series of events tells what happened in the story. Yang kedua, series of events menjelaskan apa yang terjadi di dalam cerita. And the last one, reorientation, optional, tells the conclusion of the story. Terakhir, bagian reorientation, yang menceritakan simpulan dari cerita. Bagian ini merupakan opsional atau pilihan, bisa ada atau tidak di dalam teks recount. Mari kita lihat penerapannya pada contoh teks berikut. Paragraf pertama, menceritakan tentang sosok Jenderal Sudirman sebagai pahlawan militer. Bagian ini disebut orientation. Paragraf selanjutnya membahas tentang perjalanan hidup Jenderal Sudirman. Bagian ini merupakan series of event. And then, language features of recount text. First, introducing personal participant, for example, I, my group, etc. Second, using chronological connection like then, first. Third, using linking verb, for instance, was and were. Fourth, using action verbs such as sent, tough. And the last one, using simple past tense, for example, forgot, imagined. Let's see example of recount text. Introducing personal participant, linking verb, action verb, and simple past tense. Nah, sampai di sini teman-teman bisa paham ya? Okay, that's all my explanation about recount text. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.